Already know what it is, man. It's your boy Ace, General AK News with Ace. I'm outside, drop the pin. Let y'all know right now, Mr. Chambers, Wednesdays, drop the pin is a must visit. If you're watching this video and you ain't been here yet, you need to come here the following week. I'm telling you, I just stopped by. Everybody and their mother was in there. G Herbo, Raw Switch, Who Got Cash. Who else was in that motherfucker? I was there. 1090 Scrap was in the building. Welcome home. It was a movie. Shout out to my nigga Chambers. On a Wednesday, you tired of the clubs? Come bowling, you heard?
Riding down the strip, $500,000 whip. 5 M's for the kid for ice like this. Everything I want to hit, I scratched them off the list. Ask about me, word around the town, I'm a pimp. Ho won't get my heart, I'm putting you down, I'm not a simp. Big OG, I'm him. Park the back the lamb and then go GLE, I'm trip. Catch a nigga and blam, Dredge gang, we ain't nothing like them. Only nigga you know that rap come through the rack, no tint. Hustler got them racks back, man, my pockets were stacked with lit. All blue hunters look like flapjacks, now it's a duffel in my knapsack. I don't
come bowling, you heard? And I'm betting money. Y'all can't beat me. I beat Chambers today. I'm lying, we ain't play. But I would beat him. Let him bet. It's over.
That was facts. On Twitter, don't believe the hype. I put my life on wax. I made it back.